My name is Rashmi Chandan Khede, and today I am going to discuss on my project topic, that is nutritional analysis of wild vegetables in Wardha district. I select the 7 wild vegetables for my project, that is the Hibiscus subdarifa, Bodavia erecta, Amaranthus spinosus, Amaranthus tricolor, Trianthema portulacastrum, and Corchorus oletorius. All these 7 type of wild vegetables are contain the high amount of nutritional. The material and method, for the my project I collect these 7 type of wild vegetables from different villages of Wardha district. During my project collection time, these vegetables are available in plenty amount, hence I collect this one. Then I preparing the sample for the analysis, nutritional analysis. After the preparing the sample, the main analysis are categorized into two, that is the vitamins and minerals. In the vitamin analysis, I determine the two vitamins, that is the vitamin A and vitamin C. In the vitamin A, the observation, according to my project observation, the vitamin A are found high amount in the Diazeram muricata and low amount in the Amaranthus tricolor. And the second is the vitamin C. The vitamin C are present high amount in the Hibiscus subdarifa and low in the Trianthema portulacastrum. And second is the mineral analysis. In the mineral analysis, I estimate the two mineral, that is the magnesium and manganese. The magnesium contain the all 7 wild vegetable, shows the equal value, and second is the manganese. The Diazeria muricata contain the high amount of manganese. Then the conclusion, the main conclusion of the project is that the wild vegetables are also are also very nutritious than the cultivated one. But during the project observation time, I observed that the villagers of the Wardha district, they can eat regularly the wild vegetables in their daily diet, but the urban people or the citizens were not aware about the importance or the nutritional value of the wild vegetables. So the main purpose of my project is that the urban people or the citizen also focus on the this nutritional value of wild vegetables. For example, the Diazeram muricata. Diazeram muricata contain the high amount of vitamin A, and you all know the how much the vitamin A is responsible for our good health. They are responsible for clear vision. And second is the vitamin C. The Hibiscus subdarifa contain the high amount of vitamin C, and the vitamin C are responsible for the our good immunity. So these urban people can also increase this wild vegetable in their daily diet. Thank you so much. I'm very much thankful to the Department of Botany, Shri Shivaji College of Science, Akola, for giving me this opportunity.